and welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the Man Fam.
California's got me looking like a beach bum.
Today I'm going to be partnering with a brand that you guys probably all know or you've seen across the internet because they are just killing it, and that is Fabfitfun. It's a tongue twister, so sorry if I get my words tripped up, but Fabfitfun just released their summer box, and if you guys do not know what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal subscription box with full-size products, whether that means like beauty, fashion, clothing, they've just got it all. Each box is $50, but it has a value of over $200 because for the last 2 weeks I was in Europe. This box has been sitting at my front door for a little bit, but one of my good friends actually picked it up, so nobody stole it, thank Jesus. But it's so cute and I finally have my hands on it, and I just finished an Instagram live, so if you guys were watching my Instagram live, comment down below because I kind of opened it and just looked at it, but I promise I didn't take anything out. I've been wanting to save my genuine reaction, and I have been avoiding watching other people's unboxings of it because, you know, I just want all opinions to be my own. Very excited. Also, I'm gonna be mentioning this throughout the whole video, but if you guys are interested in signing up for Fabfitfun subscription, feel free to use my code Caroline10 for 10% off your first box because trust me guys, it is gonna be worth it, and I'm so excited. All right, so I already cut the seal on this and I've seen what the cover looks like on the inside, but now we get to finally open it. Okay, so this is the packaging. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It is so cute and literally super summery themed. I'm also gonna do close-ups too, that way you guys can actually see it. But the first thing on the top is this magazine cover, which is super cute. It tells you what's in the box, but I'm actually not gonna look at it yet because I do not want any spoiler alerts, but it's this little cute magazine. There are two other papers in here too. HelloFresh, you guys have also probably seen all around Instagram and YouTube, but it is basically like a meal subscription service. So they actually gave me an $80 gift card to HelloFresh plus free shipping. That's pretty sick. I'm just gonna show you guys what this looks like from here. So we're about to start unboxing everything. I'm so excited. All right. Oh my gosh, holy crap. Okay, wow, I already see brands that I already have and love. First thing that already stood out to me is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is actually the travel size one, which is so freaking adorable. This is what it looks like, and it's so cute and tiny. I love it. I actually already have the full version in here. Sophia, one of my best friends, got it for me for my birthday, and it's almost out. And whenever I went to Arkansas, the security people almost made me throw it away, and I was like, no. So if I bring this one when I travel, they're definitely not gonna make me throw it away. So I'm so excited. I love this brand. I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's Sol de Janeiro or something. Then there's another product from them that I've also wanted to try, and it's the full-size Brazilian moisturizing shower cream gel. And this stuff, literally this whole brand and their line smells like coconuts and just honey and sugar. It's so amazing. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, then we've got 6 little ponytails. I actually do not have any of this style of ponytails right now. These ponytails are great, and my mom actually has a bunch of them because they do not rip out your hair, which is great. 3 of them are a pink color, and then the other ones are all clear. Next we've got this little thing. Oh, it's jewelry. The back says jewelry. Oh, that is so cute already. What the heck? Oh my gosh, wait, I love this. I love necklaces. I have one on right now, but it's tucked in here. It's a cross one, but I love wearing necklaces. I have a huge necklace collection. Most of them are from Brandy Melville, but this literally looks like a Brandy Melville necklace. All right, so it's this super cute star necklace, and I'm pretty sure you can make it a choker too. So this is what it looks like. It's so adorable. Oh my gosh. And this is from the brand Jennifer Zuner. All right, then we have this little thing. Oh, a foot mask. Okay. It is from the brand Wish, and it is coconut milk and verbena. verbena. Basically, it's an exfoliating foot mask. It smooths and softens and has intense hydration. So this is super fun. Let's see what it looks like. I definitely want to try this out tonight. So we're gonna try this out because this looks super fun. And it has pumpkin seed extract. Bonus. All right, next oh, is this a face mask? Oh, no joke, I have never had a clay mask, yet alone a purple clay mask. So this is a ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. I'm super excited because I love like the peel off masks, but sometimes they there's like leftovers the next day and it's kind of gross, but the clay ones are so fun because you can feel it like harden on your face and then you just wash it off. Very excited about that one. Then we have a healing balm. Oh, you can use it for chapped lips, cuts and burns, dry and sensitive skin. This is from the brand DR. This looks so fancy. Dr. Rogers. Tell me that that does not look fancy. Then we have a makeup product. Oh, this is eyeliner. Okay, let me just tell you. For the longest time, I had a very bad phase in my life where I would wear eyeliner to school. But this wasn't just any eyeliner, it was thick eyeliner. Super thick eyeliner. I literally looked like an anime character. So it's been a fat minute since I've worn eyeliner, but I really want to get into it again and start learning how to do like those cat eyes and stuff, the wings. So this is a liquid eyeliner and it's waterproof. This is what she looks like. Then oh, this looks super fun. I feel like I've seen this brand somewhere. It's called Grace and Stella. Is it perfume? Hydrating Rose Facial Spray. Wow, that's fancy. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This literally looks like heaven in a bottle. The only other rose spray that I've ever used is the Mario Badescu, and I love that one, but I ran out of it, so time for a new one. And what better item than this? Okay, I think this is the last one. I don't know how they fit all this in here. This looks very nice. I've literally said that about every single thing, but seriously guys, this is the 111 Skin from London. It's a rose gold brightening facial treatment mask. Pretty heavy. Packaging is very nice, reflective. I want to see what this looks like, even though I probably shouldn't open it because I feel like there's like baby parts in here. Just kidding, it's packets. These are so fun, super fresh. So thank you so much Fabfitfun for sponsoring today's video. I love them. These are definitely worth over $200 because I've seen a bunch of these online and just like in ads and stuff, and they're pretty pricey. So if you are debating on a bunch of subscription companies, this is the one that you need to spend your money on, because not only do you get like makeup, but you also get like lotion, shampoo, rose water spray, hair ties, face masks, lip balm, foot masks. You get everything. So like I said earlier, if you guys are wanting to buy your first box from Fabfitfun, make sure to use my code Caroline10 for 10% off. And one other thing that I'd like to throw out here is I really like how Fabfitfun supports female-founded campaigns and companies, because most of the brands in the summer box were actually founded by females. So girls supporting girls. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. I also really love Fabfitfun, so do me a favor. Get yourself a nice box with some goodies, and I will see you guys in my next video.